YouTube, what's going on? Mike here. Checking in from the West Coast. I'm here in West Hollywood, California, uh, chilling out. This is my last day here. It is December 31st, New Year's Eve, and it is 10:05 West Coast time, so I guess it would be 1 o'clock over there. Yeah, so wanted to tell everybody Happy New Year. And wanted to let everybody know it's been a great year for me. A very, very great year. Hopefully it's been a great year for you. If not, make next year great. But for me, personally, it has been a year that I can't even describe. I've met so much good people. That's the first thing. The relationships I've made are priceless, pretty much. I've met a lot of great people, and thanks to this YouTube thing, I couldn't, be more thankful for that. It put me in a different position as far as the mindset, the camaraderie, the brotherhood that you can, I didn't know was an appliance repair. For instance, I've been doing this, like I said, it's been about 14 years now, and no, it is 14 years now. I always say about, it is now. And pretty much before, I want to say, let's say really 2018, but really last year, let's just say this year, appliance repair to me was like a small world. I didn't know the presence that it had. And I started my business, beginning of 2017. So at the same time, it's just like, I guess the best way I can put it is that you can be online, but when you have a presence online and when you connect with so many different people and you're connecting with other people who are doing appliance repair, other technicians, seeing what they're doing, they're seeing what you're doing, sharing ideas. I've learned so much from other technicians, younger and older. It's that's the thing with appliance repair. You can have somebody that's been doing it 40, 50, 60 years. Yes, in general, they would have, more wisdom about appliance repair, more knowledge, but there's still some things that they haven't ran into that a younger guy has ran into that you got to learn that from him, so never feel like you've outgrown learning in this trade. Like, it's always something new coming out. There's always new ways of doing things. I'm on Instagram and I see other guys, other techs doing things like, wow, I never thought about doing it that way, or I'll never, and I'll share what I've done as well. And, people have done it, people haven't done it. If it has, it's been done this way. If it hasn't been done that, it's just different ways of doing things that we can just share and learn from. And, I'm very thankful, like I said, for the people I've met. That's probably the first thing. The knowledge that I've applied to my business from meeting people has been great as well. I definitely did better than I did 2018 for sure. I can't even, I can't even complain. I really can't complain. And my goal for next year is going to be in bigger and better things. I never imagined that I'd be where I'm at so fast starting my business. I thought it was going to take a little longer, but I've learned to realize mindset is everything. If you limit yourself in your mind, then yeah, it's going to be, you're limited. That's pretty much what it is. You're limiting yourself. And for me, it's like sky's the limit. It's only, and I know this year, my main goal is to either hire or at least, contract someone as part-time, not a full-time employee, just a couple times a week or something like that. See where it goes, starting with that, because when you've worked for a company so long and you've worked with so many people so long, the joy that you have doing it on your own and controlling everything yourself is nice. It's nice, but you only can do that for so long if you want to build and grow. And for me, like for instance, I haven't took this much time off ever since starting working. as a, I started working 16, 17. I haven't taken this much time off. And I think that since I've been off and how much, I've had thoughts of how much money I've missed or how much jobs I could have had or whatnot, because I'm the only one running the job. So from that time to this time, which is the 31st, that's time when the company hasn't been making any money. Now I am going back home to a couple of checks. Yes, that's for sure. But still, the company hasn't been making any money. So at the same time, that's what you want your business to do. You want it always to be making money, even when you're not actively doing the work. So yeah, that's something that I have to do, and I'll still be on YouTube, so you guys will see what's going on. You'll see that ride. Yeah, this has definitely been a great year, like I said, and I'm hoping that if you guys are on the path of starting your business or on the path of just working in the trade in general, like at least get into the trade, work for somebody you can, because you got to start somewhere. You have to learn. For me, I worked for somebody for 11 years, so it's like, that just is what it is. I feel like I paid my dues. It was my time. My dad always tells me, which you hear of me on vacation as well, he always tells me, I told you sooner to do it, but that all goes back to mindset. Nobody can tell you what to do. Only you can tell yourself what to do. And if you don't tell yourself what to do, you're not going to do it. It's simple. I realize everything that I'm achieving is because I'm doing it. Now, the things that I want to do and I haven't done yet is because I haven't just put effort into doing it. So I can't blame that on anything else but myself. But the things that I am putting effort towards, I'm getting done, and I see them getting done faster than what I thought they would be getting done. So, I give myself short-term goals. I have long-term goals as well, but my short-term goals is what I aim to get done. I look towards, because things can change in the long term. Your mind might change on certain things. I thought I wanted a big house, but I found out really I'm a minimalist. I don't really like big things. I'm like, I can live in a small place and just make my money and be fine. Everybody's different, but yeah, mainly I want to just tell you guys thank you all for watching. Thank you for asking me questions. Just thanks for being actively engaged, because it makes me feel good as well that I'm helping people. Because all in all, let's be honest, I do this to help you guys, but at the end of the day, I'm doing it for me as well, because I feel like if I share my knowledge and share what I know, all that good energy, karma will come all back to me, and it'll just work out. I'll never, I'm all about positivity and not thinking negative. Like, my life tends to be stress-free, like literally. Like, people are like, why you look younger than your age? I'm like, yeah, I'm not stressing. I have no stress. Like, as far as the stress I make for myself, maybe at work, day to day, but my home life, great. Child, great. Her mom, great. Everybody's just great. No problems. And I feel like that reflects you. I tend not to raise my voice. I'm laid back. I'm cool. That's just how it is. So I just want to let you guys know. Let me just show you a little bit of where I'm at. So I'm in West Hollywood. This is where we're staying at. We've been here for a while. A little jacuzzi. What's this? A bar right here with a grill, table, umbrella. So it's a nice little spot. I can't complain. Oh, I can just flip this around. Yeah. So nice little spot. Yeah, that's where I was at. I will tell you, the experience out here is great. Walking in the stores and getting what you want. But yeah, so I just wanted to share some of that with you guys, and just want to say Happy New Year. Next time you see me, I'll be in the van probably. Might check Appliance clothing. Ready to go as usual. Yeah, I'm gonna be working this week, but I don't know if I'm gonna be do a video this week, maybe next week. I don't know. But when I'm on my full days again and back on it. But yeah, I just want to, like I said, I can't stress enough. YouTube has definitely changed just my life and my aspect on things. And shout out to everybody on YouTube, TMM, Appliance Bootcamp. I can't think right now. But everybody who I'm missing, you know who you are, man. Just like keep doing your thing. We're out here together, and like I can't stress it enough. Happy New Year for all you guys that are still interested or thinking about getting into it. Get into it. The faster you get into it, the faster you can see if you like it or not. Because like honestly, you have to really love this to do this. And do I think everybody that goes to school and do this will do it? Yeah, they'll probably do it, but will they love it? I don't know. That comes with time. You have to put years into it to really know if you're gonna love it or not. And I wouldn't trade this trade for anything else in the world, pretty much. So yeah, appreciate you guys. Happy New Year. Much love to you. Be safe. That's pretty much it. And that's about it. Take care, guys.